Good?
This one has too much bones for me.
Mmm, good smoked salmon. I know that feels good on the gums.
Yeah. That helps.
Yeah, you see his bottom teeth, and then he got
I
he got
see.
2 more teeth coming in. And chop. Mmm, good stuff. You hear him? Mmm.
Yeah, Grandma. More like smoked salmon.
He's so cute. Little baby. Jordan. Hi there. Hi, baby. I love it, I do.